SeaQuest Las Vegas offers an interactive and hands-on adventure where you can explore rainforests, deserts, and ocean depths all in one place. Globe showing America's tropical fish. What to expect. Snake meet exotic animals, stingrays, sharks, toucans, snakes, and more. Parrot feed and interact with friendly creatures in immersive exhibits. Lizard touch tanks, where you can get up close with marine life. Camera with flash unique selfie opportunities with fascinating animals. Admission tickets educational and fun for all ages. Perfect for families. Round pushpin location, Las Vegas.